What's up YouTube? It's Winstonee coming back to you guys with a brand new video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified of every new video I post. There's a lot going on in the world right now. We are in the middle of a global pandemic. We're also in the middle of a global protest for racism and injustices that are and have been happening for hundreds of years to Black people all over the world, especially here in the United States. We have reached our breaking point for seeing our mothers, fathers, sisters, brothers dying in the hands of police, all for simply being Black. It's traumatizing. It's very traumatizing. And the killings are still going on, even as we protest, which is like, I have no words for it. You know, I've gone through every emotion these past few weeks, which I'm sure all of you have as well, just watching the protests and the killing videos. And you know, sometimes you, of course, need a break just for your mentality. The most important thing we can do right now is just to keep spreading awareness. Don't let your voice be silent. Continue to speak up on any racism or injustices you see. If you're old enough to vote, make sure you're registered to vote and make sure you know your voting days, not just for the presidency, but also for your local officials. Any little impact is a step forward we need. Black Lives Matter. There's no play on words. We just want to stop getting shot by the police for doing absolutely nothing. I can speak on this all day, but I want to use this video to shine a light on a few Black-owned hair companies that have some amazing shampoo and conditioners, and also other products that you guys can use. Most of the products that I've shown you guys on my channel have been Black-owned, and that wasn't on purpose, they just happened to be. But I was actually pretty surprised when I was doing my research for this video about the products that I thought were Black-owned, but weren't. One example is Cantu. For some reason, I always thought Cantu was Black-owned. I don't know why, but if anyone would have asked me if I thought Cantu was Black-owned, I would have said yes. But they're not, which is kind of interesting. So the first set of products I want to talk to you guys about is from BodyWorks. The owner is Jasmine Lawrence. The shampoo and conditioner that I bought from them is sulfate and paraben free, which is always good. Parabens can cause hair loss and sulfates dry your hair out. It strips your hair of its natural oils. It also has aloe in it, which is great for repairing dead skin cells, and aloe can also make your hair smooth and shiny. I got the coconut one, so it definitely has a coconut smell to it, which smells amazing. It has coconut oil in here, and it also has shea butter, so definitely some protein going on in here with the coconut oil. You can always tell a quality product when the product isn't like watery. I know you guys can't tell on camera, but these products are pretty thick. You can definitely tell it's rich in ingredients. You can get these products at your local beauty supply store. I got it at my beauty supply store that's down the street from me, and they were $10. They were $10 or less. I know it was less than $10, but I can't remember specifically. I think they were exactly $10 each. I'll leave a link below in the description if you guys want to purchase. So the next set of shampoo and conditioners I want to talk about is from a company called Thank God It's Natural. The owner is Christia Donaldson. The first thing I want to say is this shampoo smells amazing. The shampoo is made with amla oil and coconut oil. Before I bought this, I didn't even know what amla oil is, so I learned something new when I bought this. And the conditioner is made with shea butter and argan oil. These products, of course, are sulfate free, paraben free, there's no artificial colors in them, and they have not been tested on animals. The products have a very nice citrus smell to them, very orangey, grapefruit type of smell, so it smells very fresh. You can of course get them at your local beauty supply store. This product, I think it was like $11 each, or you can get them online. I'll definitely leave a link in the description for you guys if you guys want to purchase them. So the last product I want to talk about is from Taliah Waajid. I bought her shampoo and conditioner, and I also bought her moisture cleanse, which is a little different. I'll talk about this in a minute, but I want to talk about the shampoo and conditioner first. So the shampoo is a detox shampoo. First of all, it smells like a detox. I don't even know how to further explain that. However you think a detox smells, that's how this smells. It smells very fresh and reborn again type of smell, you know, which is really good. It's made with tea tree oil and charcoal. One of the good things that's great about this shampoo is that it's perfect for hair that's been chemically treated, such as my hair with texturizers I put in my hair, and also for hair that's been colored. So like if you dyed your hair, this is also great for that. And then also the conditioner, this is actually a leave-in conditioner, and it's different because it's a leave-in conditioner spray. So it's like you spray it in your hair. You can see, pretty much use it like any regular leave-in conditioner. You know, after you shampoo, conditioner, you can spray it in your hair, leave it overnight, or spray it in your hair and braid your hair and leave it. It'll seal in the moisture. These products are also sulfate and paraben free. The moisture cleanse that I said I was going to talk about is kind of different. I've never purchased anything like this, but this is a cleanse that you use between washes. So like between shampoos. It's good for if you have like braids, locks, or twists, or any hairstyle that you wouldn't shampoo regularly because you know, it might mess up your hairstyle. This is good for in between washes. If your hair is itchy or if it's dry, you can just spray this in your hair and it actually cleans your scalp and it moisturizes your hair. So this is really great. It's made with peppermint and green tea. So, you know, whenever you get itchy hair, you can just spray it in and instantly it feels like pepperminty and it feels pretty good. Like my hair feels fresh. Like if my hair itches, like I can spray it in like this and then the itching will go away. Once again, you can find at your local beauty supply store. This was $8. These products were around $8 or $9. So close, nothing was over $10. I'm not getting paid to show you guys any of these products. I just wanted to, like I said, you know, shine light on a few Black-owned hair companies and supporting Black-owned businesses. I'll have all the product links in the description below if you guys want to purchase any of those products. I also have links to support the Black Lives Matter movement if you guys want to support that. I'll have those links in the description below as well. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.